Stop eating them.
Bite me. Alright, we're back with another recipe. This one is my new favorite, and you guys are about to be put on, okay? So good. Get grapes. Wash them. My lovely husband already washed these for me.
I am beautiful.
Beautiful butterfly.
I am a beautiful butterfly.
Alright, so you put your grapes in a bowl, and you can either leave these in the fridge or you can put these in the freezer.
Her last batch didn't even make it to the freezer.
Yeah, I tried to make them to put them in the freezer. I told Will,
They were
I
just
said,
so dang good.
these are not even going to make it to the freezer, and they definitely did not. So we're going to probably go through this entire bag of grapes today, probably.
Batch number 2.
Yeah, so that's fine. So this is batch number 2. We've already ate one. But what we're going to do is you're going to put a little bit of lemon juice all over your grapes. I've already got a little bit in the bowl from the last round, so we're just going to add a tiny bit more. But you want to coat them all, so just kind of get your hand in there and stir them all around. Alright. I don't know if they're all going to fit or not. Oh, what was that? There's ghosts in my kitchen. I don't know if that's gonna fit. Alright, I guess we'll have to do a mini batch later here.
Oh no.
Shucks. Alright. Oh, no. I lost one. Oh, man. Make sure you pick these up. Dogs cannot have grapes, just FYI. I did not know that when I first had my dog, and I actually fed her about 6 grapes. And she's a Chihuahua, so thank God to my mom's friend who was just happened to be FaceTiming her at the exact same time that I was doing that, and was like, no. So, just a FYI for any new dog parents out there. Alright, so here is the trick. This is the piece de resistance, you guys. Jell-O. Get your favorite kind of zero sugar Jell-O packet. Flavored, whatever. Mine is a strawberry. And you're just literally going to pour it on here. Mix it around. Do it again. And that's what it looks like when you first put them in here. Just stir it around. And this is to basically be in place of citric acid. I don't have citric acid at home. Haven't ordered any, but I don't even need to. Okay, let's taste test. It needs just a tiny bit more. But yeah, really good. It sticks his tongue out.
Mmm.
That is so good. This is such a problem.
Yeah, fudge monkeys.
Oh my gosh. But honestly, I love sour candy. So I have a hard time, I don't want to say dieting, because I'm not necessarily dieting. I'm just trying to watch my sodium.
Trying to be healthy.
We're just trying to be healthy. So we're not doing this for any other reason than that.
We want to be around for a long time and a good time.
I mean, I want to be able to run around with some grandkids at some point in my life.
That'd be cool. Let's not age myself there.
Not yet. No, not yet. Not anytime soon.
Freezer. Then give me another one. Nice catch.
Oh my god.
Wow. Third time's charm.
Jesus. Cat-like reflexes. Yeah, this is so good. This totally replaces candy for me. And the more conscious you are about the back of the Jell-O, the even better that this is. Alright, I guess I'll put them in the freezer. Twist my arm. Alright, there we go. But we still, oh no, what was on the counter right here? It was wet. Was that more of the lemon juice that I spilled earlier?
Probably.
That I didn't get wiped up? Shoot. What just got on the bottom of that bag?
It's okay. Just put it in the thing.
I just don't want it to like clump together.
I mean, even if it does, we can break it apart.
I'm true. Alright. Into the freezer they go.